Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete contacts on your iPhone. Now, whether you wanted to delete one specific contact or you wanted to bulk delete a bunch of contacts at the exact same time, I'm going to show you both options on your iPhone. Let's jump in. Now, you have two different ways to be able to access your contacts. One is to tap on the Phone app and then tap on Contacts at the bottom center. Another option to be able to access your contacts is to take your finger and swipe down and then just type in Contacts and tap on the Contacts app. It works the exact same in the Phone app or the Contacts app. Now, let's walk through an example just to delete this one contact, AA. Tap on the contact, tap on Edit at the top right, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact. Just like that, you've deleted one contact. However, let's say there are a bunch of contacts that you want to delete. I'm going to show you a trick to be able to do that. If I press and hold on one finger and drag down, you can see it just swipes up and down. However, in this case, we're going to use two fingers to select multiple contacts. So if I take two fingers and swipe down, you can see it starts to select them. If I wanted to select other ones, I can again take my finger and swipe down or up. And again, I can unselect them just by going back over them with two fingers. Now, after I've selected all of the contacts that I want to bulk delete, I'm going to press and hold on one of the contacts that is highlighted in gray. And you can see it gathers them all together at the top right. It says 4, and there is delete 4 contacts. Just tap on that delete 4 contacts and then delete contacts, and you will have bulk deleted as many as you want. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.